Okay.
I'm slamming
We're getting
the
ready.
door.
Hold still. You see we have the floss
Don't.
attached to the door. Now hold it tight a little bit. Ready? Now you're going to have to back up a little bit. Back up so it's tight.
Ow!
Well, you backed up too far. Here, just hold it tight. Watch, look at the string, silly, so you don't back up too far. Back up. Yeah, back up just a little bit. Okay, now take a step back. Just a little bit more. Okay, ready? It's tied to the door.
No!
Don't do it here. Just, it's almost out right now. Put your hands down out of the string. Here. I'll give it the count and you can tell me when.
No!
Just don't do it. Here.
I just
Well, let me take it off then. Let me. You run away. You're gonna pull it out on your own. Here, let me take it off then. Got it. I got it. It came out. What?
I hate you!
You didn't even know I did it.
I hate you!
Don't say that. You didn't even know I did it. Hey, let me get you a paper towel. Let me get you a paper towel.